In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp templates to 10x your productivity, giving you a streamlined approach to managing your tasks and projects like never before. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to ensure that you're on the correct workspace within ClickUp. This is your starting point, as being in the wrong workspace might lead to confusion or misplaced templates. If you find yourself juggling multiple workspaces, just double check at the top of your screen to confirm you're where you need to be. All right, once that's taken care of, you can move on to the next step. Now, focus your attention on the search bar located right at the top of your screen. Type in Template, and you'll notice a helpful option pop up called Open Template Center. Go ahead and click on it. Upon entering the Template Center, you're going to see an entire world of templates open up before you. But before you get lost in all the possibilities, look at the top left side of the screen and select ClickUp Templates. This will bring you to a curated selection specifically designed to enhance your productivity. The next part is where it gets a bit more personal. You'll notice a series of filters available to help you find exactly what you need, whether it's a space, folder, list, or something else. These filters allow you to tailor your search based on your specific requirements. Make sure to add the appropriate filters to ensure you can find the right kind of template that fits your project needs. And if you already have an idea of the template you're after, or a specific keyword in mind, you can use the search function to locate it manually at the top. Once you've found a template that piques your interest, click on it. This will open up an overview and give you options like Use Template. Selecting this will allow you to configure several key aspects, such as its location within your workspace, a custom name, and various import options that might be relevant to your task. Don't rush this step. Take your time to customize these settings to fit seamlessly into your workflow. When you're done configuring the template to suit your project's needs, simply click Use Template one more time. Congratulations! You now have a fully integrated template ready to be populated with your own data. This might seem like a small step, but incorporating templates into your routine can substantially raise your efficiency by reducing repetitive setup time. And that wraps it up. By harnessing the power of ClickUp templates, you're setting yourself up for a productivity boost that can help clear your plate of unnecessary manual tasks, so you can focus more on what truly matters. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide not only useful, but transformative for your work habits.